got for you?
Oh no, look.
Who's that?
Oh no.
Who's that? Oops. Okay. Here's a gift for you. And it's... let me see, I gotta turn it on. Oh boy, it has something to tell you. Caroline, push the button. Caroline, you have to put your... Caroline, look.
Oh. Oh. Let her see the wings from the back. She'll like them. Do it again.
See the wings?
Make it do it again. Caroline's like...
Not a winner. She's like, where's the card?
She loves it, Aunt Sarah.
Oh, you like the wings? I think it's a little